Dumelang youth, this is Vusumuzi Kosana from Nick's Touch Entertainment. I'm shooting this video for the youth. I'd like to thank my brother out there, Dablab, the man who's behind the camera, our producer. All of this thing in the sky. So people, look, we are doing this video for the youth. We are doing this video for you when I'm schooling for no matric or university next year. And guys, we have the two simplest but strong questions for you. Now the questions are how, trust me, 2017 will be the best year for you. We are making this video December 2016, right before it's number 2017, so that you may see this video before January, and then we'll tell everything we apply. Only these two questions. Now, these two questions are the secrets of life, are the secrets of prosperity for majority of people out there, especially about when you're going to put them level. Are you ready? Are you ready? Listen. Question number one. What do you want? Yes, it is very simple as I said, but it's very strong. It's a profound question. Think about it. What do you want? Majority of the youth, they don't know what they want. You go through life without knowing what you want. You study without knowing what you want. Now, if it's a matric, you're about to further your studies to varsity, to college, or wherever, I don't know. But what do you want? Immediately you know what you want. Now, you are giving your brains an ability to think big about that. Question number two, to make it a reality. Question number two, it is the powerfulest of them all. Key question near action. Now, here is it. How do you get to it? How do you get it? Because most of the people, we know exactly what we want. I mean, hell, can you buy animationist? I want to do this, do that, and also I am doing this. I know exactly what do I want, and then the question is, how do I get it? Now, it is the question of action. How do you go out there and get exactly what you want? Sit down, introspect yourself, look at yourself, look at your skills. No. Forget about the skills for now. Look at your abilities. What are you good at? What you love, what you like, and what you enjoy. And then, after, what kind of a person are you? What course would be relevant for you? And then, the second question, after you know who are you, what do you want? And then the next question, how do you get there? And then, simple, guys. Now take these easy steps. These two questions this Monday. This Monday, well, maybe we want a Monday, maybe we want a Friday, maybe we want a Saturday this video. Well, it doesn't matter, but apply these questions in your life every day. What do you want and how do you get it? Because immediately, or how do I get that? How an ability to think for solutions now. You are trying to solve this problem of a stumbling block. What you want, but then one of the problems, but immediately, how do I get there? Your mind brings out solutions. So take these easy steps, apply it in your life, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you very much for giving us your time, for watching the video, or maybe even for listening if maybe would disable. But I hope you video, and please subscribe to our account. I'd like to thank again our producer D Dablab and the courtesy of Nick's Touch Entertainment. Vusumuzi Kosana signing out live.